Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, oh my gosh, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber or viewer or whatever, thank you again for clicking the play button. I'm so excited today, I don't know why. Okay, in today's video, right, like you already know, I'll be showing you guys how I use a face sheet mask. Yes, if you like to see that, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you. So for today's video, right, I'll be using the Elianto face sheet mask, and they have so many varieties. Not so many, just 5 of them. Okay, so we've got the berries. This is berries, an enriched water-based berries essence that provides hydrating while promoting elasticity for your skin. Antioxidant, yeah. And then they have the cucumber. This is purifying and calming. If you want your face to be calm, yes, that's the one. And then we have royal jelly. This is moisturizing and firming. Okay, we also have green tea. Oh, I love me some green tea. This is purifying and is also an antioxidant. And then last but not least, we have rice. You know, this, when I saw this, I was very I was surprised, because they tell you don't eat rice, it's carbs, blah blah blah, and there's rice in everything. You have rice shampoos now you have rice face masks. Like, what are they not telling us exactly? So this rice is supposed to brighten and lift your face. So alright, I'm going to like read the proper direction or instructions on how to use this product, right? Okay, so it says usage direction. After washing your face, gently apply toner on your face to even out your skin texture. Number 2, spread the mask sheet evenly over the face, starting from the nose and eye area. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, a maximum of 20 minutes, and then gently peel off the mask sheet. Then gently massage the remaining essence until thoroughly absorbed. Now, they gave 2 tips. Tip 1, for further cooling and refreshing effect, chill the mask pack in the refrigerator before using. That is, put it inside your freezer. Yes, in your refrigerator, not your freezer, obviously, your refrigerator, just for it to be a cool mask, like for it to be cool a little bit. Yes, put it in your refrigerator for special effects. I don't know how to wink. You know what I mean? Number 2, for best result, exfoliate skin with a gentle scrub prior to using the mask. And tip number 3, 2 to 3 times a week for optimal result. Use 2 to 3 times a week for optimal result. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys. I'm taking these tips very seriously. So the first tip, which is to exfoliate your skin gently before you use. So I'll be usually, right, I have like a few face masks. Like what you call on a budget. So I'll be showing you how I do my DIY face masks on a budget. Yes, usually, right, this is actually very affordable. I've seen it in, I got this from Tesco, and then I've seen it in like local markets. So I'm sure you have this in local markets. It's called Odion face and body scrub. It has honey and olive in it. For my facial scrub, my number 1 ingredient is sugar, but I understand that using brown sugar is even more effective, because brown sugar already crumbles like on its own, like it has a crumbling effect. But if you have the option of using brown sugar, I advise you use brown sugar because it's better for this. But I don't have brown sugar, so I'll be using white sugar. Okay, number 2 ingredient, lemon or lime. I have lemon here today. So if you have lime also, that is very fine. Use lime. Number 3, we have olive oil. Okay, this is pure olive oil, which we'll be using today. You can use any type of olive oil, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And olive oil is like for moisturizing effect, so it doesn't leave your face like really dry. Yeah, that's what the olive oil is for. So I'll just put in about 5 spoons of sugar, teaspoons of sugar actually. My lemon. Vitamin C is very good for the face. Lemon also has like whitening, brightening effects. Honestly, anytime I hear whitening or brightening in any skincare thing, it just raises some alarms. But because I'm dark skinned, right, I don't want any little tone to just make me look like a camouflage or something. Like, no, that's not my style. Okay. Actually, it would also be nice to have like some lemon zest in it. I should have zested it first before. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oops. A little bit. A little bit. Last but not least, I like to wipe my hands. But not least, I'll have my oil. So this is the consistency. My lemon juice was a lot than I expected. I just used half a lemon, not a lot, so that's basically it. I'm ready to scrub my face. Thank you. I had a little bit of a problem with my camera, so yeah, I added a bit more sugar, actually a lot more sugar. So let's say like double, so let's say about 10 spoons of sugar. Yeah, so this is the consistency. Yeah, this is what we're looking for. We're ready to scrub. Let it sit for like maybe 10 minutes, and then 10-20 minutes actually. It can be longer if you want it to, and then you just wash it off. So the next time you see me, it would have been washed off. The scrub of my face, bare face. Alright, so next we're going to use a toner. That's what it says on the sheet pack, to use a toner on your face before you apply the sheet marks, right? So for DIY toners, you know I got you. We'll be using aloe vera as a toner. Yes, it can be a toner. Yes, you can either get aloe vera in a tub like this. This is prepackaged and sold in different stores. Yes, this I got from Guardian. As you can see, there's an aloe vera plant in my house, so I just cut one out. Yes, for your toner. But because I'm using natural light and my light is going, I'll be using this because, just quickly, I'll be using this for my toner today. But yes, you can use actually this is even cheaper. Like, you can just buy the whole bunch and just plant it in on your balcony or in your compound or however it is that you live. Yes, just have one and water it every day. No, not every day actually. Aloe vera doesn't even need that much water because it's a dry plant on its own. There's a word for it. I don't remember the word. I don't have time. I'll put the word. Okay, I have time for you guys. No, I actually have time for you guys. You guys are my darlings. Yes, but I'll put the word on the screen of the kind of plant it is. That it doesn't really need water. You just need to water it at least once in a few days and you're good. Yeah, you're good. And aloe vera is very good, like it's for like scars and scabs. Like, it takes away, I don't know, they say it does. I've been using it for this on my chest. I don't know what is happening. It's not going away. But I'm still trying. I'm still using it. Hopefully one day it will vanish, or I keep using different stuff. So I'll be using aloe vera all over my face as a toner. Oh yeah, do you guys like my nails? I have a video of how I got my nails to look like this. I'll put it here so you can see, or here, I don't know which direction it is, but yeah, I'll put it so you can see how I got this flawless nail. I'll just look at the mirror to get this done. So my eyes, my head. What's wrong with you, Lazarus? Where's Tonyo? Yeah. So yeah, earlier I said the sheet marks, I was gonna pop it into the fridge, like, so it can get cool. So yeah, it's here and it's cool and it's ready to go on my face, on my face, on my face. I'll calm down now. It's so easy, like, to open because it comes with this right here. I'll be using the green tea antioxidant for this video. It comes like this. Unraveling is like swag. Get on my face. I think there's like an extra slab. I think this is you're supposed to close your eyes and it goes, but I will not be doing that. Like, it's supposed to go on top of your eyelids, like once you close your eyes. So this is supposed to stay on my face for like 10-20 minutes, I guess.
A few moments later.
I'm just gonna take this right off. This is basically how I just apply sheet mask, and it's really affordable. I think it's one of the cheapest skincare out there. The mask is just so good. Just make sure all the residue, just tap it around, let it go in, suck it all up, suck it all up. Sorry, I keep looking here because I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Sorry, I look so good. I'm so pretty, yo. Yes. Okay, if you've watched this video to this extent, wow, you are an OG. I like you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I beg you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg. Thank you. And also, like, leave a comment if you like this video, if you've tried on the sheet marks or any other sheet mark or any other skincare routine you've tried on. Let's discuss in the comment section. And please follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook. Yeah, all it's at IBKinx on everything. IBKinx. And on this video, the commentator is Moses. Actually, this video won't have a commentator because it is a DIY video, so no, scrap that. Till I come your way again, be safe, stay safe, bye.